In this video, I will show you how to add music to Facebook profile. It's quick and easy. Let's begin. Open Facebook, tap on the three lines icon. Next, tap your profile. Now, tap this three dots icon. Next, tap search. Next, music. Tap the plus icon. Now, search for the music you want to add. Next, tap the music and it will appear in your music list. Next, go back to music. Let's pin it to profile. Tap the three dots icon. Next, tap pin to profile. The music will be pinned in the profile. Now go back to profile and you will see the music you have just pinned. That's it guys. Hope the video helped you. Please like the video, it helps me. Thank you.